Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I've got a quick and easy tutorial for all mobile users out there. I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. So if you're tired of the bright white background and want to switch things up to a darker, more eye-friendly theme, you're in the right place. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First things, open up your TikTok app. You navigate to your TikTok profile by tapping the bottom right profile icon. Once you're in the app, now tap the three lines in the top right corner to open. Then press the settings and privacy. And then scroll down. Press the display. Press the dark mode. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you get TikTok's dark mode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. A subtle animation for the subscribe button and notification bell pops up on the screen. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want me to cover anything else. I love hearing from you guys.